Feeling overwhelmed by the rapid changes in social media, I want to let you know that you're not alone. What worked yesterday is obsolete today. And the next decade, it's poised to upend everything we know. Imagine investing time and money into strategies that might become irrelevant overnight. The frustration, the wasted resources. But here's the good news, there's a way to stay ahead. Let me tell you what I heard from Gary Vaynerchuk, a visionary who's predicted every major social media shift. He warns that the next 10 years will be defined by one, the decline of traditional platforms and the rise of new ecosystems. Two, AI driven content creation and hyper personalization. Three, the transition from mobile first to AR/VR first marketing. So, here's how you can navigate this evolving landscape. Here are three actionable strategies. One, adapt or die. Simple as that. The platforms will change. Remember Vine? It vanished. Instagram shifted to video. TikTok disrupted everything. To stay ahead, you have to diversify your presence across multiple platforms. You want to monitor early trends and be ready to pivot and repurpose content to fit different formats. All right, here's secret two. Embrace AI and automation. AI can now generate high quality posts instantly, personalize content, and automate customer interactions. To leverage this, experiment with AI tools to speed up content creation. Use AI insights to understand your audience desires. Combine AI efficiency with your unique creativity. Secret three is prepare for the shift to AR VR. The future is moving beyond mobile with augmented reality and virtual reality on the horizon. You want to do these three things, which is explore creating AR content like filters and virtual experiences, observe how leading brands utilize VR marketing, and stay agile and ready to adapt when the shift occurs. The next 10 years are your greatest opportunity. If you act now, adapt and thrive, or risk being left behind. Really, the choice is yours. If you found this insightful, valuable, subscribe for more tips to stay ahead in the fast changing world of digital marketing.